Hi guys, I came out to burp the greenhouse. We had a freeze last night, inspecting another one tonight. So I'll come out, remove all the covers, and let it get some air. And then put them back on. And that's what I call burping it. Because if I don't do it, all my plants will be dead if these covers sit on them for 2 days straight. So I have to take all the covers off. Burp it. There we get a little air. Really, I don't like the color of my greens. So they can stand the cold, but sometimes it still gets too cold for the greens. See, now I'll leave them open tonight. I had them covered last night, but I'll probably leave them open tonight. So kind of lagging a little bit. Hard part is over with. So we'll leave them open tonight. I'll just uncover them. And I have to cover the peppers twice because they're sensitive. Look how they've grown. Look how they've grown in that heat. Yeah, look how they've grown in the heat. Look at those tomatoes. See how much they grew where they were under the heat? I put these sticks in here. Put these sticks in here to keep the blankets from touching the plants. Now, we let them get a little air. And then we cover them right back up. That's what I call burping the greenhouse. How much the plants grew while they were covered up. Those carrots. Look at these peas. They done already started trellising. Ooh, look at the corn. Look at how the corn got while it was covered up. Now, I'm going to cover them all back up for tonight. And then after that, the frost will be over. And it'll be summertime. This kale, going to pull it up, taking up space. These purple tops.